Hello guys, welcome to Mexico. We are in Ciudad del Carmen. We're going to the laundromat, pick up our clothes. Right over there. Where are you? Maria's there already. I'm gonna try to talk her into take me there to Panucheria El Primo. Let's have a panucho because I've never had one before.
Guess what?
What?
I got you something.
Yeah?
Here.
What you got me? Clothes?
Yeah. For
Yeah.
you to take.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh man. Hey, we should go to have a panucho at El Primo Jr.
You wanna go there?
Yeah, let's have a panucho.
Okay. You hungry for panucho?
I've never eaten a panucho. I've never ever eaten a panucho, so I want to try one out.
Oh, I like them.
We were gonna go to the market, the seafood market this morning,
Yeah.
and eat.
But guess what? We were drinking beer.
We were drinking beer. We started drinking beer at 8 in the morning,
Yeah.
and next thing we know, it was 1:30,
Yeah.
and they say the market's gonna be closed at this time. So we go Panucheria El Primo and see what we can find.
Okay, they have, this is the types they have here.
Oh yeah.
Carne molida, molida con queso, deshebrada con queso. That's
Yeah.
that's the shredded meat.
Yeah.
Pollo con queso, cazón con queso,
all right.
jaiba con queso, camarón con queso,
They got everything.
and whatever
Let's go check it out.
empanadas and hours.
Let's go check it out. Hola.
Ya no.
Ya no. Okay.
¿A qué hora cierran? A la 1. Wow, cierran temprano.
Yeah.
Pues no comemos panucho hoy.
So much for that idea.
Yeah.
They say they quit selling panuchos at 1 p.m. So I guess no panuchos until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
Yeah.
I think it's a homeless guy. I think this is all his stuff. I think that's his little spot where he lives and cleans, keeping his little area clean. Okay, you just have the bath.
It's the same guy.
Yeah, just have the bath. I think this is his stuff here.
Yeah.
This is his house.
Yeah. He wears the same pants every day.
Yeah, wearing the same clothes every day.
It's like a warmer, you know, the
Hoarder.
no,
Well,
no, no,
not a
what he's
hoarder.
wearing. What he's wearing,
Oh yeah,
the thing that you wear underneath the long john.
yeah, yeah. And he got all his stuff piled on the sidewalk. His whole life,
You could see he's in drug stuff.
probably drugs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you could see it, the way he's moving that broom.
yeah.
There's no way he has so much energy from not eating that good.
I know.
Sorry to judge him, but it's the truth.
So we picked up all this laundry here. Look at that.
Yeah.
A full
Oh,
bag.
let me take on my dress. I didn't check on my dress.
A full bag. It cost us 42 pesos, which would be $2 and 10 cents. Yeah, the dress is still white.
Okay.
They didn't destroy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
I
see.
was worried about it.
Yeah.
I was worried about it.
So 42 pesos, $2 and 10 cents US for a big bag of laundry like that. Pretty good price. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do now.
They look good.
Yeah, they look a lot better.
¿Cómo está la mandarina?
I know, they feel sour, feel them.
Son dulces, ¿no?
Yeah. Don't get too many, that way they don't spoil.
Okay.
We're gonna get some mandarins. Look at them, they look really good. We won't get too many because, you know, they could spoil. Bananas we have bananas in our room. And what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go back to the room and We have some chicken left that we bought the other day, so let's eat some chicken. Whoa, there's a cool Volkswagen Combi over there. Look at that. I want to get one of those to travel around Mexico. I think that would be fun. What do you think? Let me walk over there and show you guys. See if I can get over here without being run over. Yeah, we're thinking about getting one of these combis like this. These are old. Fix it up really nice on the inside, but the outside just leave it looking pretty natural. A Volkswagen Combi. I use this to travel around Mexico. That would be fun. We were thinking about getting a Beetle, but with this we can actually park somewhere on the beach and we can sleep in it if we're tired, have a nap, you know, have an air mattress or something in the back, have a good nap and sleep in the Combi. People are watching me, they probably think I want to steal the Combi, so let me stand here with my back towards them so they see my t-shirt says YouTube and they know I'm not a car thief. Hey, here's another Panucheria. Here's some guys here. Hey, how are you guys doing? ¿Hablan inglés? No English. Aquí hay uno. Aquí está. It's right here. So how you, ¿cómo están? ¿Bien?
Bien.
¿Cómo se llaman?
Yo me llamo Andrés, soy boxeador.
Ah, ok.
Por si me gustan ver.
Ajá. Estamos aquí filmando en Ciudad del Carmen. La belleza de la ciudad. Sí, las diferentes cosas.
Para comer es en Playa Norte.
Playa Norte para comer, sí.
Para comer, que lo lleven a la zona costera.
Ajá, marisco
Ahí
y
hay
eso.
marisco.
Ya fuimos allá.
Ya,
Sí, pero
también
vamos a ir
El mejor
otra vez.
cóctel que
Vamos a ir
conseguimos
otra vez
allá.
posible mañana.
Sí, no, cóctel en Cajún. Ahí en la puntilla. Cajún.
Ah.
Lo llevan ahí en Cajún.
Ok. El que
Variedad de
comimos
mariscos.
en la zona norte estaba rico.
Playa Norte.
Playa Norte estaba rico. De ostiones con camarón.
So they just told us to go Playa Norte to get some good
Sí,
food there,
pero
but we've been there.
Cajún
Mejor,
es
good.
mejor Cajún.
Cajún.
But they say if we want to get like,
No, no,
if we want to get
en
like
la puntilla.
shrimp cocktail, oyster cocktail, we go to a place called Cancun.
They want to be on the video.
Yeah, they are on the video, yeah.
Van a estar en el video.
So we found another Panucheria right here. Panucheria de la 47. So we are gonna go eat there. ¿Cómo está la comida aquí en Panucheria 47?
La mejor
¿Sabrosa?
Sí, la mejor panadería de la ciudad. Ya años de antigüedad.
Yeah. Okay, so these guys say the Panucheria 47 is good, so let's go try it out. Okay, bueno, saluda a tus amigos. Puedes bajar de mascarilla para que te vean bien. Si no van a saber quién es.
Me
¿Nombre?
saluda a mi mamá.
All right.
Ángel Claro, conocido como el Oso Claro, basquetbolista.
There you got it, guys. Coming to you from Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. No, I don't. Oh, sí, yo lo tengo. Where are you, Maria? Lost the camera?
Are you happy that
I don't have it in my hand. I completely forgot. I didn't even notice. All right. So we are here and we are gonna get a little seat. And we're gonna have some we are gonna have some panuchos here. I take double chairs because these chairs, the plastic is very thin. And what happens when I sit on these chairs, the legs bend out like that and I end up falling to the floor. So I put my chair double, no danger. So let's get some panuchos, guys.
¿Le pones salsita o algo encima o no?
Here we are, guys.
Ok, gracias.
Our panuchos have arrived. This is the panucho. I have never eaten one of these in my life, so that'd be interesting. You see the light, there's a little bit in the middle and outside there's nothing, but the dough is nice and crispy, and I'm gonna wash it down with a Cristal Negra. Negra is it's a flavor they only have in Mexico, soft drinks, but I really, really like it. I don't know what Cristal Negra would be in North America. If you know, please comment and let me know. What do you call Cristal Negra in English? I know it's black, right? Black Cristal. But what flavor is it? I have no idea.
It's almost, I think, like the root one.
Like a root beer?
Like
No, it's not a root. It's not a root beer.
It's similar. It's similar,
Yeah.
but I think it's between a root beer and a grape. It's in between those two because it tastes like wine.
Yeah.
So it will go more like a grape.
Maybe, yeah. Who knows? So we got 4 panuchos. What kind did you get?
We have one each of whatever they have. That means one cazón, one
Cazón,
cheese,
one cheese,
one shrimp, and one
Shrimp.
deshebrada.
and 1 shredded meat. All right, let's try it out. Put on some salsita. We don't know which is which and what is what, so we're just gonna kind of like guess. Little green sauce, little red sauce. Well, you put onions on top too?
Well, I guess you can put anything you want
Yeah.
in here. There's onions and this is shredded cabbage.
Onions. I'll pass on the cabbage. Oh, you bend them to eat them?
Douglas, common sense. Use whatever you want to eat it. I don't know.
No, but
I
there might be a
guess.
right way, because I know people that eat pizza with a fork.
Yeah.
You eat pizza with a fork is a...
I guess you
Blasphemy.
You can't just make it like a pizza. It's very simple.
Or you could eat them like a...
Oh, that's a cazón one. See,
Cazón?
It's falling apart.
Oh! This is cazón, which is dogfish. Mmm. That is good. Mm-hmm. Very good. Very, very good. See the dogfish in there? Very fishy taste. I love it. Very good. I'll tell you how the others are as soon as I get to them. Well, let's see what we get now. This is the guessing game. I like the little onion. A little bit of onion on top of mine. See what flavor is next on the list. Let's try it out. So far I've only got the flour. Alright, what is this? I think this is the cazón. The other one is shrimp, I think. This is cazón. Tastes more fishy. Mm-hmm. Wow. This definitely is the dogfish. The other one must have been shrimp, but this is a lot more fishy. Oh man, it's delicious. Look at that.
This is shrimp.
Think it's shrimp?
That's the shrimp. See here? Shrimp.
Oh, maybe it's shrimp.
That's the shrimp.
I can't tell the difference.
Yeah, that's shrimp.
It's really good. I'll come back with another one. Here we go. Gonna try one of the other ones. See what flavor it is?
Quesillo. I could see it.
Cheese?
Yeah, quesillo.
Mm-hmm. Check it out. That's the cheese one. Very good too. Wow. Mm-hmm. This is one of the favorite foods of Campeche, especially here in Ciudad de Carmen. Everybody says wheat panuchos here. Wheat panuchos there. Looks like they love it here.
Yeah.
And I don't blame them, they're very good. Well, let me try the very last one. A little hard to eat with one hand. This here, be look, it's shredded meat. Shredded beef. There you can see it. It's pretty good. I just got stuck in my throat. It's pretty good. My favorite one is the cason, the dogfish. I like that one. I like the heavy fishy taste. It's kind of messy eating, especially with one hand. And one hand on the camera. I got my Negra to wash it down.
Gracias.
But anyway, that's it, guys. My favorite is the dogfish, the cason. My second favorite is the shrimp. My third favorite is the cheese. And the least favorite of all is the shredded meat. So that's it. You get your cason or you get your shrimp or your cheese. The shredded meat I'm not crazy about. It's good but not great. We're right here next to the Gulf of Mexico. You want to eat seafood. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a comment if you know something about it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.